Hello everybody. In this video I will show how to place advertising on middle of your YouTube video or end of your YouTube video. If you have a YouTube channel, it's monetized and you got some advertising going on, then probably you have already set some, but you can do a little bit more, like you can place advertising in the middle of your YouTube video or end of your YouTube video, or you can custom change. How you do? You simply need to log into your YouTube channel where you want to make change, then click on your channel logo, right hand corner, click on YouTube Studio. Once you click on YouTube Studio, it will take you to your dashboard or somewhere, but we have to click on video on left hand side. You click on videos, it will take to the page where your all videos, and this page you have to find the video is longer than 10 minutes. That's another requirement. You can only place advertising in the middle or end of the video if that video is longer than 10 minutes. To do that one, we have to find it. I have a couple already here, but I have a done already. I have a place advertising already. Then I have to look to the one I haven't done yet. So as you can see, I have this video is for 13 minutes. So simply we will click on this video at this page. As you can see, we have to finish this change too, because YouTube have a change their policy. If anything you have a video it shows made for kids, then you have to click yes or no, because they're gonna place advertising on accordingly. So this one not made for kids, so simply I will click no, save. So at this time it's not doing it, but what we can do later on. I will discard this one, but we are going to focus on only on advertisement. So we're gonna click on monetization. You click on monetization, it will take you to this page. As you can see, I have advertising already on before video, but we're gonna put on during video, and I'm also going to do after video, but up to you where you want to. If you click on save, that means Google gonna decide where they're gonna be place advertising, but you can do custom change. Click on manage and editor. Once you click on manage and editor, it will take you to this page. At this page you will see $sign and ad break are blue, so you have to choose the place. Like say I have a choose after 3 minutes, then I will click on ad break. This break is ad already. Then I will click on 6 minutes ad break, 9 minutes ad break, 12 minutes ad break. It's up to you where you want to do. You want only one advertisement or two, whatever, you can do it. Then simply click on yes, save. That's all the change you made already saved. And I'm not sure if you are able to yeah, now you will see after save you're not gonna be able to add any advertising, because $sign is no more blue. What you can do, you can delete. To delete, if you have a advertising already set up and you want to delete those one, you simply click on the middle. It says place automatically or delete all ads and breaks, so you can delete too. So that's the way you can customize your ad where you want to show, and you can delete, you can put automatically, and then you go back, go to your channel, you all set. Watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment.